Hey guys, love the game, love the rip here, and today I'm going to be doing the Platinum Collectibles football subscription box. But before I get into that, I have a letter here from Ultimate Collector. You should go check out his YouTube channel. We did a trade. He was interested in one of the pink Rashawn Gary autographs that I pulled, and we decided to do a trade. So he sent me a nice Drew Lock play action insert and a Noah Font rated rookie card. And he sent me this little letter here. He said, "Hey, love the game, love the rip. First off, thank you so much for doing this trade with me. I'm glad we were both able to add some PC. Keep up the good work. I know from experience, starting a new channel is tough. I'm still getting the hang of things. I will continue to show love and support of your videos. I hope you are able to do the same for me. Thank you again, Ultimate Collector." So I read that and it just reminded me all the reasons that I love this hobby, and I definitely will continue to support this guy, and I will as well as continue to support all the other collectors that I follow. And I'm a really busy kid. I have a full-time job, 40 to 60 hours a week. I go to school, and in my spare time, I try my hardest to support you guys as much as possible. And I thank you. I thank the people that also support me as well. So thank you, Ultimate Collector. I really appreciated that trade, and I'll be looking forward to more trades in the future with you. So now let's get into this collectibles box. This is a subscription monthly for $46.95, and this is the Platinum Football. So I guess we have nothing left to do here but open it up and see what we get. Alright, so it says here it's April and we find ourselves in unprecedented times. And then it says, with a lot of us stuck in our homes as we wrestle with the current crisis, we hope that the box this month will bring some joy in an otherwise turbulent time. None of us know when the lights will come back on for the sports we love, but we know they will come back on. Enjoy your box this month, and we hope you find some nice hits. As always, thank you for your support and being a customer." So that's a nice little note that they give you there. And then your cards come in 3 little rows here. Let's take them all out. I've only ever opened one of these before, honestly, and for 46 bucks a month, it's not a bad value. So here we have 2019 Don Russ, 2013 Topps Platinum. This is 2006 Authentic, SP Authentic. 2015 Panini Contenders. 2014 Topps. This is 2013 Select. And then 2006 Contenders. 2013 Elite. 2014 Prestige. And then we have, should say here, 2016 Score. 2013 Topps Football. 2014 Topps Strata. And then 2015 Score. 2020 Prism. And 2011 Threads. Alright, so now I need to sort these in 2006. Just kind of get them all sorted out the way I want to here. Oh, geez. There we go. Now that they're all sorted, we're going to start off with the 2006 playoff contenders. Some of the stuff is almost as old as I am. All right, we get a Hines Ward, Kevin Jones, Isaac Bruce, Reggie Wayne, and Edgerrin James. All right, next we have 2006 SP Authentic. We get a Drew Brees. I'll save that for my buddy Rob. Get a Larry Fitzgerald, Andre Johnson, Trent Greek, and Travis Henry. All right, next we have 2013 Topps Platinum. Ooh, what did we pull here? All right, so first we get a Ryan Nassib rookie. And then we also pulled Tyler Eifert. It's a shield-shaped patch out of 250, autographed. It says, congratulations, you have received an autographed rookie refractor patch. That's pretty cool. These Bengals cards seem to keep following me around ever since Joe Burrow was drafted. So we got a Tyler Eifert rookie. That's pretty sick. All right, next we have 2015 score. And we get DeMarco Murray, Matt Forte, Chris Ivory, Taylor Gabriel, AJ Hawk, Patrick Peterson. We get a sophomore selections, Sammy Watkins, Jalen Collins rookie, Shane Ray, Mike Davis, Steve Largent, Gridiron Heritage, team leaders, Phillip Rivers, Brandon Oliver, Malcolm Floyd, and Corey, what does it say? Luget. And then a kid reporter. Okay, and then we have 2016 score. And we get Vic Beasley, Matt Ryan, Jason Pierre-Paul, Jeremiah Aduachu, Malcolm Floyd, No Fly Zone, Darrelle Revis, Andy Dalton, Signal Callers, Reflections, Rob Gronkowski, and Jason Witten. Luke Kuechly, does that say Stoppers? And then Devin Kajuste, Malik Collins, and Derunya Wilson. All right, next we have 2013 Topps. And we get Christian Ponder, Devon Bess, Andrew Hawkins, Carlos Dunlap. David Amerson rookie card. Has like a camo outside. And then Ben Roethlisberger, Legends in the Making. It's pretty cool. And then we get a Cincinnati Bengals AFC North Division. And then Tyler Wilson rookie, Alex Okafor rookie, and Sean Phillips. All right, next we have 2014 Topps. And we get Tony Romo, Greg Olson, T.Y. Hilton, Wes Welker, the Broncos, Ryan Broyles, Ace Sanders, LaShawn McCoy, 1,000 Yard Club. We get a little tiny Zach Stacy. That's a cute little card. Just gonna put that one off the side so I don't lose it. And then we get Calvin Pryor. That's a rookie. And Justin Gilbert rookie. All right, next we have 2014 Topps Strata. Got a Johnny Football in the front of it. And we get Cam Newton, Reggie Bush, Darrelle Revis, Brandon Cooks rookie, Khalil Mack, and Jalen Saunders rookie card. All right, next we have 2015 Panini Contenders draft picks. And we get Earl Thomas, Andre Williams, Vincent Jackson, Melvin Gordon, Josh Robinson, Mario Alford, School Colors, Sean Mannion, and Old School Colors, DeMarco Murray. And then next we have 2013 Elite. We get Roddy White, Eli Manning, Cam Newton, primary colors. It's a die cut. That's pretty cool. And then we get Brandon Marshall and Arian Foster. Next we have 2014 Prestige. Then we get Zach Stacy. Ooh, Drew Brees. Rob's gonna like that one. And we get Doug Martin. Kelvin Benjamin, Road to the NFL. It's a rookie. And then Jason Verrett rookie card. J.J. Watt. Joe Flacco. And Chad Henne. All right, next we have 2019 Don Russ. Luke Kuechly, Alshon Jeffrey, Marcus Mariota, Marshawn Lynch. We get John Elway. I don't think I have a John Elway out of Donruss 2019 for some reason. You get a Chris Herndon, J.J. Watt, Elite Series rookies, DK Metcalf. It's got like that laser look to it. The champ is here, Rob Gronkowski. And then rated rookie, Trace McSorley. Next we have 2013 Select. And we get Ahmad Bradshaw, Colin Kaepernick, Denarius Moore, Hot Rookies, Robert Woods. Ooh. I like the look of that card. And then we get Matt Schaub and Jimmy Graham. Next we have 2011 Panini Threads. And we get Josh Freeman, LaShawn McCoy, Danny Amendola. We get a filler card. Yay. Kind of tricked me. I thought it was going to be a mem. Then we get Ryan Kerrigan. It's a rookie. Clay Matthews. Ray Lewis. Carson Palmer, and Vasanthi Shianko. All right, and then finally we have 2020 Panini Prism Draft Picks. And we get Josh Allen, Peyton Manning, a purple Phillip Rivers, and a prism of Jalen Hurts, and then Anthony Gordon. All right, guys, so that is it for the Collectibles Platinum Football. And out of this box, our hit, we got Tyler Eifert, rookie patch autograph. And then we got our tiny little Zach Stacy here. Had to put him off to the side so I didn't lose him. I got a couple of cards for my own PC. I got a couple of Drew Brees cards for my buddy Rob. Some nice parallel, or I guess a nice parallel. I got a purple Phillip Rivers. And then I got some inserts and a nice stack of rookie cards over here. I'd like to also give one more shout out to Ultimate Collector for the trade, and make sure you guys go give him some love and check his channel out. Make sure you guys also check out my eBay store so that it can go straight from my opening to you guys' collection. And then also, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Have a good day.